How are prices read in Forex? Currencies in the Forex market are always traded in pairs, or more precisely, currency pairs. The reason for this is that in this market, you are always buying one currency and selling another currency at the same time. Here's an example of the price of the GBP-USD currency pair. The first currency in this price is the British pound, which is on the left side and is called the base currency. The second currency in this example is the US dollar, which is commonly referred to as the current currency. Long-short terminology. In conversations between traders, you may often hear someone say that they have taken a long position, or the currency pair may be in a short position. To understand these terms, it's important to remember that long means buying and short means selling. It's that simple. The price of a currency pair tells you how many units of the current currency or the second currency you need to pay to buy 1 unit of the base currency or the first currency. In this example, you would need to pay $1.51258 to buy 1 pound. Stay with us as we explore other attractions of this market in future sections.
AX Financial's content team.